Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be building this section of the whole website. The source code will be on the description below. The website is about wines. It's completely responsive, as you can see here. The menu, everything's good. So let's go. Let's start with a markup. Let's go to Google Fonts. Here, JAVASCRIPT. Select the styles. 1, 2, 3, 4, OK. Copy the links. Paste them. Now let's add Font Awesome 2. We need it for the arrows. Font Awesome. Right. Font Awesome CDN. Copy it. Paste it. And now we're fine. Let's continue with the section. Section 1. Okay. We need the container. Section 1 container. Okay. We need the nav container. Nav container. Nav. We need the logo. Logo container A. Let's do an image. Source icons logo and a span of wine. Good. Now we need the actual navigation, so let's do ul.menu. Okay, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 list items, so let's do li.menu A. Copy it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need menu item. About us, our awards, our people, gallery, info, and finally we need the mobile burger. So let's do .bars container, and we need 3 bars. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, now let's add some styles. We're gonna do the global styles first. Global styles. Okay. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, line height 1.5. Let's do a button, transition all is in out 0.3 seconds, text decoration none, background none, border none, list style none, ul list style none, AI transition all is in out 0.3 seconds, cursor pointer. Okay, we need HTML overflow X hidden, body, font family, the font we added, which is dancing script, sans serif. Okay, and let's do image width of 3 rem to see what's happening, and let's go from here. Alright, we have to link the styles, Let's link it. Let's go to the head, link, href, styles, .css. Okay, save it. Nice. Let's continue. This is the nav. Okay. And here let's do the hero content. Hero content. Now let's style the navigation. So let's go to styles. Dot section 1. Okay. Width 100. Min height 100 VH. Overflow hidden. Display flex direction column. Background image. Let's add the image URL. Background cover. Background repeat. No repeat. Nice. Let's do dot section container. Let's do a padding 2rem 0 2rem. Display flex direction column. Flex grow 1. Now let's do the navigation. Dot nav container. Display flex, align item center, margin bottom 2rem. Okay, what's happening? Everything's fine. Okay, now nav display flex, align item center, width 100. Okay. Dot logo container a display flex gap 5 pixels. Let's do a hover. Hover span color pink, purple. Okay. Dot logo container a span font size 2rem color black transition all is in out 0.3 seconds. And finally dot logo container a image width of 2.2rem. What's happening? Good. Let's continue with the menu. Dot menu display flex width 100%, justify content center gap 5%. Dot menu a font size 1.3 rem color black. Okay. Font weight 800. And the hover color purple. Okay. Let's do the burger now. Okay. Mobile menu dot bars container position relative the index of 2 dot bars display flex direction column, align item center, cursor pointer, padding 0.5 rem, 0.3 rem, and let's hide it for now. Display none. Now let's style the bar. Dot bar position relative, width 20 pixels, height 3 pixels, background black, transition all is in out 0.3 seconds. Now let's do dot bar first child, transform, translate y 10 pixels, and bar nth child 3, transform, translate y negative 10 pixels. Okay. Yeah, the display is none, so let's delete that. Good. Wonderful. Now let's add some media queries. Okay, let's delete that. Media screen and max width of 860 pixels. Display flex. It's working. Let's continue. Let's hide the menu. Media screen and max width 860 pixels. Display none. Okay. And now let's push the hamburger menu. Media screen and max width 860 pixels. Display flex width 100. Justify content flex and awesome. Now let's change the menu a little bit. Menu, okay. Position fixed, display flex, flex direction column, width 100, viewport width, height 100, VH, background that color, opacity 0.1. Okay, let's see that. Okay, right, it's right here. Let's do a top 50%, left 50%, transform, translate -50, -50. It's not centered. Yeah. Align item center. Perfect. Let's hide it. And now we need an active class for the menu and an active class for the bars. Let's do dot menu active. opacity of 1, the index of 2, transition all is 0.3 seconds. I forgot to add the index. Here the index -1. Okay, let's do the bars active. Bars active dot bar first child transform rotate -45 degrees translate 0 dot bar nth child 2 opacity of 0 dot bar nth child 3 transform rotate 45 degrees translate -4 -4. Okay, now let's make the script. app.js const mobile nav is equal to document dot query selector dot bars const mobile nav container is equal to document dot query selector dot bars container. Mobile nav container dot add event listener. Click. Let's do a function. Mobile nav dot class list dot toggle bars active. Let's link the script. Script source app.js. We have to fix something. Okay. Alright. Here is the first child. Okay, it's working now. Let's do the menu. Const menu is equal to document query selector dot menu. Right, let's paste it here. Menu dot class list dot toggle menu active. Nice. Let's continue with the hero content, which is not here. It should be right here. Dot section 1 content container. Let's do the home first. Dot home container dot home title dot image dot line image icons grapes. Let's do one more line. We're making this now. Home title. And dot title description. discover grapes. Let's do home text dot home text h1 span my wine original here, and dot home buttons h3 explore now. And now we are gonna add this button here, dot arrow container dot arrow I dot fas fa arrow right. Okay, and home right here. Let's do the home image now. This image, home image dot home image wine one dot circle and home image. Okay, let's style it now. Okay, section 1 styling, section 1 home styling, dot section 1 content container, position relative, the index of 1, display flex direction column, flex 1, dot home container, display flex, justify content space evenly, align item center, flex 1, mean height of 500 pixels, gap of 2 rem. Okay, let's continue. Home dot home, we're gonna do media later, dot home title, margin bottom 2, dot home title dot image, display flex, align item center, gap 0.5 rem, dot home title dot image width 3 rem, dot home title dot image dot line width 1 rem, height 2 pixels, background let's do black, dot title description, display block, margin top 0.5 rem, text transform uppercase. We're good. Let's do home text dot home text, display block, dot home text h1 Font size, let's do a max 2 rem 5 viewport width, max width 600 pixels, margin bottom 2 rem. Okay. Home buttons, display flex, align item center, gap 2 rem, dot home buttons h3, font size maximum 1 rem for viewport width. Let's do the arrow now. Dot arrow container, display flex, align items center, transition all is in out 0.3 seconds, cursor pointer, dot arrow, padding 0.3, 0.5, 0.3 rem, 0.5 rem, border 2 pixels solid, purple, border radius 50%. Let's do a hover. I can nest that because I'm using SCSS, as you already know, but you can write it like this, dot arrow hover, it's the same thing. So let's go back, hover, border color black, and a second hover, I, transform, translate X, 5 pixels, color purple. Awesome. Dot home image width maximum 8 viewport width, 5 rem, and the circle, dot circle, position absolute, the index -1, top 5%, border radius 50%, background that one, width maximum 12 viewport width, 6 rem. For the height, the same height, let's go with that. Awesome. Now we need to add the media queries, and we're done. Let's start with the home. Here let's do media screen and max width 420 pixels, dot image, specify content center, dot title description, text align center. Now let's go to home text. Here, media screen and max width 420 pixels, text align center, Okay. Let's go to home buttons. Media screen and max width 420 pixels. Width 100%. Justify content center. Gap 0.8 rem. We have a problem here. Title, description. Let's remove that. Let's go here. Media screen and max width 420 pixels. Text align center. Nice. Let's do the image now. Right here. Media screen and max width 420 pixels. Position absolute. Transform. No. Top 50%, left 50%. Transform, translate, -50, -50. Right? This is the index of -1. Opacity 0.3. And here, media screen and max width of 420 pixels. Width max 4M 20 viewport width. Okay. And we're done. If you liked my video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and check the other videos too. I have plenty of designs. You can download the source code, of course. See you.